Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. I hope everybody's having a great week. I know I'm talking weird. We just hit 500,000. We are 500,000 strong. Y'all, this is crazy. Crazy. I never imagined in a million years that I would have my dream job turning a little corner of my shop, turning my little workbench into a classroom to teach millions of people small engine repair or tips and tricks to save them time, money, and frustration. And here I am, thanks to every single one of you. So why did I initially even start this channel? Well, it's because I'm cheap. Frugal. Frugal's a better word. It's how I was raised, and it's just stuck with me. I mean, I drive a 2013 Toyota Highlander with all the paint coming off the roof. It's paid for. Now, when I had my storefront, I was known as the nicest shop in town, which come along with being the least expensive. I didn't want to screw people. I only charged what was fair, because I strongly believe in do unto others as you would have done unto you. So needless to say, guys, I'm cheap. I'm frugal. I am so frugal in my life that I want everybody else to be as frugal as I am. I want everybody else to save time, money, and frustration. Now, I didn't know I was going to do this when I initially made my first video, and this is what I did. Hello, what can I do for you?
Yeah, I need to speak with a mechanic.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Y'all fixed my chainsaw, but now it won't start.
Well, when was the last time that it ran?
Well, it was running good until I ran out of gas, and then I filled it up, and then it wouldn't start. Well, it would start and die.
So it was running good, then it ran out of gas, and then you filled it up, and then it would only start and die. Do you think it could be your gas?
I think it has no fire.
But I didn't like that. I didn't want to make fun of people. So I didn't make another video for a long time. So a little while later, I made how to fix your mower in 10 minutes with a $13 part. And one day, it took off. Now 305 videos later, 76 million views and 500,000 subscribers. Here we are. And you, hanging out with me a couple times a week. The best part about it is, though, is the comments. Now, it's not just the compliments that I get. Those, of course, are awesome. But the comments I got this week were from people that were in Florida. Last week, the people that were in North Carolina, telling me that the reason that their generator was running was because they watched my video and was able to bypass the safety switch on their generator. Or the hundreds of comments I get from viewers telling me that they gave up trying to start their chainsaw. They just thought they couldn't do it anymore. And after watching my video and seeing the trick I showed them, they could start it in 3 pulls. And I know it doesn't mean a lot to a lot of people, but to some, that confidence of being able to still start your chainsaw means a lot. And it means a lot to me that they let me know that. Or the comments I get from teachers telling me that they're showing my videos at their Votech schools, that I'm helping train the next generation of small engine mechanics. That's awesome. And I couldn't have done any of this without each and every single one of you. So enough mushy gushy. I want to give some stuff away. And I know you're going to look at all this Depstech stuff and you're going to think I'm sponsored by them. I'm not. They just keep sending me stuff. So I might as well give it to you. So let me show you what I got and tell you how you can win it. Now to start out with, old trusty, the one I've had for years that I bought myself, the DS300 by Depstech HD Endoscope. This thing usually is about $50. Sometimes they go on sale for like 10 to 15% off of that, sometimes 20. I leave them in the description box below my video, or you can find them at my Amazon store. This worked perfectly fine for me for a very long time. The only qualm I have about it is how much cord there is, because in my business, I only need a foot. But if you're in like home inspection or plumbing, they would probably be best for you. Now this one worked fine forever, but I guess Depstech saw my videos and they just started sending me endoscopes. They send me one like every couple months. So I might as well give them away to you. Let's go over what they are. First one, I have a DS260. This is with a smaller handheld. It's like got a 2.5-inch screen, I think. It's 1080p. I'm sure it's pretty sweet. I have not used it myself because I use my big bad boy back there, or this one, but I'm going to be giving it away. Next, I've got the DS580. Comes in a super cool carrying case. This one has the handheld right here with a gun and a light. And then, man, that is heavy duty. That is a heavy duty cable. I don't even know about this one really because I haven't even used it. I did not know it was like this, okay? There's got to be something special to it. Now, all of their cameras are water resistant, but this is like a really heavy duty cable. I'm gonna have to look that up. But anyways, I'm giving it away. Then I've got the DS, I think this is the 650. Now this thing is on sale right now for Prime members on Amazon. Usually I think they're $139. Right now it's $109.99, and then you either get another 10% or $10 off. I'll leave a link in the description box below. The reason I like this instead of this, but this is mine, I'm keeping it, is because I think the cables are the same length. This is probably about 4 feet. This one, see, it's flimsy. This one is rigid, so you could like bend it, but it still articulates at the end. So you can bend it into something and still articulate back and forth. That's pretty sweet. Now I have the DS630, and I mean, it's just amazing images from this thing. In one of my videos, I showed you the sweat coming out of my pores. It is pretty sweet. Oh, we're upside down. But anyways, look at that. That's sweet, right? So I'm pretty thankful for Depstech sending these. Like, can you see? I'm not sweating today, so you can't see it. But I mean, that's pretty awesome. They don't ask me to do anything, make any videos. As y'all know, I don't take sponsors. I had somebody ask me to sell their socks. They were going to give me $5,600 for 2 minutes. I'm not doing it because I'm not going to try to sell y'all $30 socks. I'm not buying them. But what I am doing is giving a bunch of stuff away. So if you would like a chance to win, all you have to do is comment on this video. 3 people will be chosen at random and win a Depstech. On top of that, I'm going to be giving away some Chickanic mugs, koozies, keychains, magnets. So leave a comment below for your chance to win. Now wait, full disclosure. Anytime I give something away, the scammers are going to come after you. They are going to have my logo. They are going to have maybe my name that says Telegram, WhatsApp after it. I am not on Telegram. I am not on WhatsApp. I will never, ever ask you to send me money. I am not going to tell you to follow me to another link. I am going to reply to your comment and tell you to email me directly with your address so I can send you this stuff for free. Please be wary. If you get a response and you think it's me, definitely click on the profile. Look at the page. Make sure it has my content, because if it's a scammer, it doesn't have nothing on it. Once those winners are picked, I'm going to make another video and announce everybody's name in that video, so you'll be 100% sure that you're the winner. Now, if you happen to be watching this the day it comes out, I am currently driving 9 hours to Louisville, Kentucky to the largest outdoor power equipment expo in the entire world. I will be there October 17th, 2024, just in case you're watching this next year. I don't want you to show up and me not be there. If you are there, please, if you see me, stop me, let's take a picture and say hi. And guys, thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You have changed my life. Hopefully I've helped you save a little bit of time, money, and frustration. I just can't thank you enough. But don't go away yet. I got something to show you. And for all of you asking about Briggs, Ron keeps calling him Briggsy. He's doing great. He's up to 81 grams, which is way above the 65 he was when he first came. And he's eating like a horse and playing like crazy when he's awake. But the reason I can't have him in so many videos right now is because the thing sleeps like 22 hours a day. Are you stuck? Oh, and these little toenails. So I did buy a little, condo for him to stay in. So right now, Briggs has to stay in a tub so he can have the heating pad underneath him and not chew on it. Oop, what you doing, dude? I'm trying to build me a nest. But I did bite the bullet, and I have a squirrel cage in my bedroom next to the dog bed. And I know he's a squirrel, but I keep getting freaked out that he's going to just jump off of me. So, and I don't want him to get hurt. So right now he's pretty much staying on the heating pad in his box. until he can move up to his Taj Mahal little cage that we got him. And we have learned a lot about squirrels. Aren't you sweet? You are so sweet. So guys, I will leave links in the description box below if you want to get anything that you saw in the video today. And if you find yourself coming back over and over again, think about hitting that subscribe button. It helps out the algorithm to make my videos show to more people to save them time, money, and frustration in the future. If you haven't found me at Facebook, find me at facebook.com/Chickanic. Find me on Instagram at TheRealChickanic, or find me at Chickanic.com where you can get your own t-shirts, hoodies, and long sleeve shirts. Thanks guys, and have a great day.